In this video, I want to show you how to install games on Acer Ultra smartwatch. So if you want to install the Android games on Acer Ultra smartwatch, so make sure Acer Ultra smartwatch have only 16 GB ROM, and you cannot install the large games, but you can also install some basic games on Acer Ultra smartwatch. So first I want to open up the Play Store. So before you want to use the Google Play Store, make sure you have connected your Acer Ultra smartwatch with the Wi-Fi, and also make sure that you have logged in your Google account on a Play Store, and you'll be enabled to download the games. And at the below of the notification, you will find the two options, apps and games. So I want to simply tap on the games. So here you will find a list of different games. So I want to just install the Subway Surfer because it is a lightweight game, and I want to simply tap on the install, and it take a little bit time to successfully install the Subway Surfer on your Acer Ultra smartwatch, and it depends on the internet speed. So currently my internet connection is not good. I am trying to download the first game, Subway Surfer, on my Acer Ultra smartwatch, and it takes a little bit time, so I need to wait for a few moments. And now you can see the game is successfully downloaded and installed on my Acer Ultra. So now I want to play it, but I want to play from the background. So you notice that it shows the Subway Surfer icon here. And now I want to open up the game, so simply tap on the Subway Surfer. So you need to simply select the age first. Now tap on OK, and now I want to open up the game here. So now you can see it downloading some features. Now you can see it loading the game, and it take a little bit time to successfully play the game. So you can see play the sound, so I can easily play a game here without lagging. It is too much hard. So in this way you can easily download any game on Acer Ultra smartwatch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.